What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood and I hope you are too. Make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video, that way you learn the most out of it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, feel me? We're almost at 20k, my baby. God damn! I really appreciate you guys so much. Like all the love and the support is just crazy. But today we're here to make some beats, to make some fire. We're just going to dive right into the video, but before we do, big shout out to Peak Sound for sponsoring this video. Peak Sound is a distribution company that allows you to put your music on Spotify, Vivo, Apple Music, TikTok. Like you can even monetize your YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers, so that is super fire as well, and you keep 100% of the royalties. They also give you a monthly royalty report, so that way you can follow up everything. But it's super nice. Make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description. Peak Sound charges their members only a yearly fee. You can distribute and submit unlimited singles, albums, beats, or even EPs onto their platform, and they will do the work for you, feel me? And this way your music will be heard worldwide, so make sure to go check it out, gang. Okay, so I had to put on some clothes because it was freezing, bro. It was cold as hell all of a sudden. What happened? Anyways, I'm going to open up Serum and mess around with it, search for a nice preset, and then create some chords maybe, and then just build off of that. So I hope you can follow. Make sure to grab your laptop and let's work with me, gang. Ooh, this is a problem, bro. This is a problem. This little melody just alone. I'm just going to add real quick some drums. Just create a really hard bounce in there. Something maybe for Nardo Wick or something, because it sounds super evil, in the style of 808 Mafia. I might maybe add some glitch elements in there as well, but damn. pitch everything up and see how that sounds. Okay, so let's open up Analog Lab to search for like a nice ARP. I might maybe add like a shaper box to create like some like glitching effect in there, just like something really unique and crazy. So I prefer to use ARPs for these type of sounds because it kind of does the work for you, and you don't need to make like a crazy pattern because the arpeggiator just goes like all over the place. So that was the sound I was looking for. Let's just structure the beat from here. And right here with the 808, with this like the second part, I want to go even crazier in the hook, like just to like switch it up a little bit. So I'm going to add some slides in there and some like triplet notes maybe, or like some rolls in there. Just let the 808 go super crazy. This beat, crazy, super hard. I don't even know who I hear on this beat, to be honest. I might just like need to finesse something with this title of the video because I don't know. I think kinda in the south, metroboomin maybe, but I really love the beat. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.